Greetings, fellow human beings. I hope that you are doing great. This video has two main goals. The first one is to share with you my thought process when I go out and shoot streets. The things I look for, the subjects, the leading lines, the framing, the light, in short, the way I take photograph. So that you have those ideas in mind when you go out on a street photography session. Which leads to the second goal, inspiration. I would like my videos to inspire you create yourself. We all have this creative fire inside, and by sharing my work, I want to fuel yours. Creating is fun and it's very rewarding when we see the result, and also contributing to the world of photography is something that we can be proud of. As a bonus, I also want to entertain you, so I edited this video my usual way with some good music. Alright, without further ado, let's roll the video and I'll see you at the end for a bonus tip. I haven't been to Suo Park for a while, it seems. And since the last time I came, they built those new shops over there. And they are oh, look at that scene. Wow, love it. And they are really cool shops. So here we have dango yasan. Dango is the mochi, small mochi on a stick. And so it's probably sweet. Over there, I don't know what's that, but they are, sorry for the shakiness, I'm handheld. But yeah, there are quite a few new restaurants, new shops over there. Look at this, so cool. I'm gonna zoom in to avoid too much shakiness. Yeah, anyway, they have those shops over there again. And I'm gonna take pictures around because I see a lot of frames and corners and nice gray wall as a background or just as a main subject itself. Yeah, I love this area. It's all new. So cool. Alright, I'm trying to take advantage of that beautiful light over there, and it creates this triangle patch of light. Ooh, with the shadows, long shadows. I have to make a video dedicated to long shadows only. But yeah, right now I'm trying to catch people. Wow, look at that. The salaryman maybe? What's that? I didn't see. Anyway, yeah, very cool place to shoot right here. Beautiful. Mexican restaurant there. Okay, so here we have a nice structure, and I'm trying to get a subject dead centered over there. Nobody passed by so far. Ooh, I can see also shadows on the wall there. Ah, that was a interesting subject. Yeah, anyway, I like the scene, the structure we have here, so I'm trying to get something interesting. Those kids swinging there, very cool. I want to get some here, some there at the same time, maybe in the middle too, like subjects here, here and here, with that triangle frame there too. I think it's an interesting composition. And the last kid over there, he looks sad compared to the others. He looks like me when I was a kid at school. Vintage tobacco shop and someone reading a newspaper. Oh, that's a lady. I thought it was a guy. Hello. Do you mind?
Oh, I just missed that lady passing in front of the shop here. She would have been a nice silhouette. But I got another one and it's good. Cute little scene right here. Two restaurant owners, seniors, working side by side. It reminds me of my wife and I running our cafe. Except that this one is a traditional Japanese restaurant. Very cute, I like it. Hello, buddy. You're cute. And you don't bark? Good dog. So cute. The next house dog barks though. I like the cloth hanging there. I don't know if the design is Japanese, but it looks like. And can I show you the street? Yeah, maybe I can. Look at that. That's very interesting. We have these leaves, these plants all around, and then we have the green sign over there spinning around. Very narrow street. Very interesting. I don't think there will be any subject passing here, but just the place itself it's a world in its own. Actually, we can go around that street, and let me show you there. I was on the other side at the end of the street over there, and we have the Heineken sign. And yeah, just like the way the light spills on the pavement there. So I focus on the pavement, but also just on the sign and on the streets, and all the light spilling on the walls. I think it's pretty cool. And now I'm shooting from the other side of the street, and there is a very tight frame created at the other end. Just got somebody passing by, just like that. Yeah, I think it's an interesting picture, hopefully.
When will I learn to love? When will I learn to love again? When will I learn to love? When will I learn to love?
So here we have another very cool place which seems to be closed. I like the art pieces over there in the window, but the blinders are down, so I don't know. And apparently it's called Gonzo, which is curious name. But look at the architecture inside. Oh, they just closed now. Oh man, maybe you can make out of the wood, the ceiling made of wood in this old house. And yeah, just one of the neonics. So you can see there is a little wally there. So I got that shot. I really like all the props, all the decoration in this shop window. So I took a few detail shots. I'm not sure what kind of place it is. Is it like a bar, hairdresser, a shop? What's that? I don't know. But yeah, decoration is pretty cool. That lady over there walks her cat at night. I got a portrait shot of her with the cat on the shoulder. Pretty cool. So at the corner of the street here, I like this scene because we have those palm tree branches as front element, and then on the back we have some lights to backlit a potential subject passing by. I'm gonna wait, but now it's getting late, so I feel that there won't be that many subjects. But I really like that scene, so I want to work it out in a way or another.
I wish everybody would be quiet and nice.
And don't throw rocks.
Yeah,
And don't shoot guns.
right,
And come home safe.
right.
'Cause we miss you. 'Cause we miss you.
Nagasaki is full of these little streets that we can see there, and with the branches coming in the way and the perspective we have of the street over there, if somebody were to walk, which won't happen because of the time, would be nice. Maybe just empty, it might tell a story too. Gonna try that. Here is another interesting scene. I included those neon lights over there. Vertically, I think it's good. So here we have two signs, lit up signs that will create the frame and the backlighting for subject passing by and creating silhouettes, just like that. Very interesting scene, very interesting place to shoot.
I hope that you liked the video and that you felt inspired and entertained. So now my bonus tip. In street photography, anything can be the subject. People, animals, buildings, lights, geometry, silhouettes, perspectives, nature, and so on. Unlike portraiture, landscape, astrophotography, sport or architecture, which are focusing on one specific thing, street photography includes a wide range of subjects. So when you go out to shoot, open your observation skill wide. Look for anything and everything interesting or unusual. Even an empty street can tell a story. Alright, if you found this video interesting, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. Hang a little more for extra shots, and until next time, enjoy the ride and spread the love.
And come home safe.